Hello guys, my name is Hassan and I'm here with another video in which I'm going to explain to you that how you can add a user into a workspace, okay? And we will be talking about Podio, we will be talking about different roles in Podio and what you can do with them. So right now I got an access to my client's workspace and I have to add myself into this workspace for making some changes for doing some development into this workspace. So how I can do that? Let me first explain to you that how role management works in Podio. In Podio on left side, if you click here, you can see an organization. So all the employees of that organization will be showing here in the employee network section too. But here there are multiple workspaces. Okay, in one workspace, all the members of that workspace can share data with each other. It means that I am currently into this workspace. There are four members. So these members can see the data which is present into these apps. They can share data. So currently, if I am into this workspace, then if I have to add someone into the workspace, I will be clicking on this invite button. When you will click on invite button, you will have an option to type the email address of the person you want to add. So I will type my email address here. So when you will type here, if they are already a part of the of any of the workspace, then you will get a suggestion. If they are not, then they will not. So there here we have three options. We will be discussing them in detail, but if you click here, you get more details about these roles into this blog which is written here. You can see what they can access, what they can see. Detailed information is present here. So we will not be going in details, but if you will provide a user an access of workspace admin, if you will provide them a role of workspace admin, then they will have an access to Podio workflow automation. So Podio workflow automation is the backend of Podio where you can write some workflows and you can do some stuff. So I am opening workflowautomation.podio.com. So you will be having an access to this if that user is added as a workspace admin. So I am currently into this workspace. I am going to add this user. I will make him admin of this workspace. Okay. If you will change my role to light member, it means that I cannot delete any app. I cannot make any changes. I don't have access to workflow automation. I can just see data. I cannot delete items created by others. But I can create new items. I can, comment on other people items, but I cannot modify them in some cases. It depends on how much privileges we give to someone. So I have selected workspace admin. I will click on this button. Now this user will be added as an admin of this workspace. Right now here you can see me. Now I will go to Globiflow. I will click on login button, and I will also have to add this person, this user, this one into workflow automation too. So I will click on account details button and will come to the add new user section in the additional users. Okay, you can see that I will have to be a premium user of Podio for having access to this Citrix Podio workflow automation. You can do all the advanced coding here. You can do many advanced workflows in this workflow automation tool. Okay, so I will be typing the same email address in this section. Save. So if they're added, it means that this person now has access to the backend of Podio. So I will be telling you about one more thing, and that is in Podio workspace, all the users can access data to present into these apps. If you want to share a single item with with someone with some email address, you can do that too. For example, I am currently into this item and I would like to share this particular item with someone. I will click on this share button. I will click on this share button and I will type their email address here. Okay. And I will be able to give them an access to this item only. Okay. So if you will type read only access, they cannot modify any changes. Okay. So typing you to this item. I will type this and then I will invite them here. So when they are invited, they can see this item and they can only see this. They cannot edit any field here. Okay, this is how you can share this item with someone. If you want to, okay, so this is how you can share items. But sometimes client ask for sharing only this app or a particular view in this app with some person. Okay, so how can they do that? This is not possible to do, to only share a single app in a workspace with a client. So how you can achieve that? There is an option, there is an extension named Podio Mini Apps. It's Procfu, and there is a feature named Podio Mini Apps. In Mini Apps, you have option to share a view or a complete app with a client. You can create some mobile-friendly mini apps in Procfu. So I will be creating a separate video of demo of Procfu. So for now, it's enough. You can understand that how you can add a user as an admin into Podio workflow automation and Podio. Thank you.